In Caitanya Caritamrta, Advaita Acharya has been identified as mahā-viṣṇur jagat-kartā māyayā sṛjaty tasyāvatāra evāyam advaitācārya īśvaraḥ. Mahavishnu, who is the Lord jagat-kartā, the Lord of the entire creation. Māyayā sṛjaty, with the potency of Maya, he creates this material nature. So, his avatar, the avatar of Mahavishnu, is Sri Advaita Acharya. Māyayā sṛjaty tasyāvatāra evāyam advaitācārya īśvaraḥ. There has been a description that seeing the condition of this age of Kali, Lord Shiva became very concerned. What will happen? This age is so degraded, so dangerous, so fallen. People will become in a hopeless situation. So what to do? So Lord Shiva decided to perform austerities in order to rectify the situation by the mercy of the Lord. For a long time, Lord Shiva performed austerities. Then, being pleased with Lord Shiva's austerity, the Lord appeared. Mahavishnu appeared to him and he embraced Lord Shiva. And due to that embrace, they became one. And that is Harihara. Lord Hari and Lord Shiva, Hari and Mahadev, Lord Shiva became one Harihara. And they decided to descend together. So therefore, Advaita Acharya is the incarnation of Hari, Mahavishnu. Advaita Acharya also is an incarnation of Sadashiva, because they became one. And they appeared as the son of Hadai Pandit. Lord Harihara appeared as the son of Hadai Pandit and Nabha Devi.